Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Spicy Gang is back. Queen of Clarence, let's get into it.
Another for your mother. We are starting the day off with Kava. Y'all see that male in the background? Who's that male?
Yeah, Big Mom.
My baby Mod. Hey Pooh, how you doing? So glad he is back. Yes, Spicy Gang is back. Yes, Mod is on the scene. I see you, bruh.
We got Mod in the building. M-O-D-D-A-G-O-D. He is trying Kava for the first time, y'all, and hopefully it's everything that you imagine. Yours look different from our place.
Yeah, you know, mine was a little bit more Caribbean than y'all's.
Yeah, like, yeah, his look real healthy.
Your boyfriend likes white sauce. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna lie, the white sauce buzz, but that's garlic.
Well, I feel he likes white sauce.
What is
I don't
that?
really eat white sauces. This is
white sauce. You did tzatziki in the beginning.
You know, like, bro, do you see white sauce on there?
Yes, it is. They do dip. It's right here.
They tucked it in the corner. Yours is you went freaky with your white sauce. You put it on.
It's like a 10, yo. Garlic.
Bro.
I can't get to Zaki, y'all. Not that cucumber. I don't.
This is my bowl. I asked for a small bowl. It looked kind of dry, more dry than theirs, but all the sauce is in the bottom, as y'all can see. It's good. Y'all never seen my little purple Jeep?
Okay, you queen. I like the purple Jeep. Okay.
Oh, here it is. I'm gonna be the first to tell you guys. I was supposed to have my old tires back, and the place decided to sell my tires separately. And they were supposed to give them back, and they sold them. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna figure out the name, but they sold my tires, so I'm stuck with these. Look who tried to copy me though. I came out the room with these on, and he had them on.
I don't know why he had them that fit like 3 days ago.
Thank you.
No, but I didn't know he was wearing these. I didn't know he was wearing these though. Look.
But you cannot see this shirt. I was dressed before you. You seen I put this shirt on.
That didn't come to my head.
What kicks you thought I was gonna wear with this shirt?
I don't know, but I thought that these were the perfect ones to go with what I have on. Right? Hey, don't the bottom match my jeans?
Nah, yours fits too. It goes with your
My daughter.
You my son.
Alright, so Mod is getting
Oh, wait, did you tell?
a Caribbean gym.
Bro, this is not no Caribbean gym.
Nah, it's not
This is just fire. It goes in everything.
so it's not Caribbean.
Nah, it's like a spice jelly, but it's fire. Bro,
We're
about buy 10 packs of Sazone, nigga?
You see, that's racist.
No,
That's racist.
no, it's
That's racist right there. That is.
Bro.
He's racist. That's crazy. But yo, we're in Publix. We're about to get some stuff that we're gonna make for later. We're gonna make some food later. All three of us.
Bro, what are you making?
Yo, he's a hater and a racist.
Bro, what are you making?
Wait, what are we making? No, I'm real stuff.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. We're just here now.
Okay,
Now we're
you
just-
decide.
You want some frito?
That's racist. That's what I'm saying.
What can we make later on, like for real, for real?
And we making jerk salmon and what?
You gonna make the jerk salmon?
I'll jerk the salmon. Oh.
You know you jerk the salmon.
that's not the same thing.
What could be on the
Nah, I'm just
side?
saying, bro. Go ahead, you got it.
I ain't gonna lie, what could go on the side?
You ain't gonna get a jerk job.
Rice and
Nobody
broccoli?
else.
You know that's what that's basic. That's mine.
I mean, we can make a basic meal. It's Monday night.
No, you right.
What's them we be having in Jamaica? Yo, you making festival?
Bro,
You know what I mean, festival?
bro, are you
Yo, alright, my son Miles busting out the festival today. We going crazy.
how much adobo going to Pastelito?
I don't know.
Oh, now nigga.
I really don't know. I've never made patelillos in my life.
Oh, look, my
You know what I mean?
saying it wrong.
Yeah.
Pastelito.
You said my fault for saying it wrong. We still didn't come up with what we're in here for.
Said we going
I don't
basic.
know, I'm just grabbing stuff as I go, to be honest.
We're having a battle.
We having a battle of red versus green grapes.
Red
And
versus green grapes. You feel me?
And Clarence is just...
You know? Yeah, let me just try one of these. On the low though. How you doing, sir?
How you doing, sir? The red grapes bust more, don't they?
Rain on.
It's like a fresher taste. Like you just drunk a whole bottle of water. Nah, the greens is it.
The greens is better?
You got way more.
They not even gonna be hungry when they leave. I like green too, but I like the red because it's crispy. I don't know why.
Juice, no homo. Hey, try one. I see you. I see you.
Like she looking.
Yeah, you don't want to get caught. excuse me, what grapes would you prefer? Green or red?
Is what I prefer.
Yeah.
Depends on the season. I mean, they're both good right now. I think the green ones are pretty good.
I told you.
Okay, well then it's green.
Green grapes for the win.
I told you.
I'm getting some green grapes too. We're all getting green grapes.
You're all getting grapes. Okay.
They're sweeter.
Yeah, I like sweeter though. I like sweeter fruit.
Red grapes to win.
Sorry.
These ones.
Oh.
They have.
They're not as sweet.
No, that's the thing. I don't like sugary taste.
So you like red apples?
No, I like
Green apples are sweet.
No, I like the thing that's more tangier, like more sour. The red ones
Green.
are more sour.
Red ones are more sour.
Or?
Red ones sour.
Yeah, the green ones are just watery, more freshy.
All right, so we're here. We don't really know what to make or what to eat tonight, so I say we just leave it up to chance.
Leave it up to chance. What does that mean?
Chance.
What does
All
that
right,
mean?
let's get a piece of paper, write down like 5 meals in a hat, pull it out of
Or
hat.
let's just go ask a stranger.
Or
what should
we can
cook
ask a
tonight?
stranger, what should we eat tonight?
What if the stranger's vegan?
We're gonna eat some vegan.
Nah, yeah, we're not buying no Beyond Meat. I'm not gonna lie, we're just walking right away from it. You vegan?
Yeah. I'll actually get dog.
It gotta be me.
Do your thing.
I mean, nah, we need some kind of protein. No, we need. So what y'all want to do? Y'all want to ask a random person? How about this dude? Nah, he look like he gonna ask us for some spaghetti meatballs.
I have a question, a random question. If I had to have you pick what we ate tonight, because we don't know what to eat, what would you say? I like Alfredo pasta. Alfredo pasta with chicken?
Will go crazy.
Wait, what kind of meat? Chicken?
Like blackened chicken?
You know what? Chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken Alfredo
Like
pasta
blackened
sounds
chicken?
Good. Yeah. Is it Alfredo
Thank
pasta
you.
tonight?
Let's do
Is
it.
that what we doing? How we gonna make it like?
As a group?
I got the garlic
Pour
bread.
the sauce in.
I got the garlic bread.
Nah, you can just pour the sauce in.
I got the garlic bread.
Pour the sauce in.
Bro, what are you gonna do? Boil the noodles? Like, come on.
What do you boil your noodles
I'm
in?
just saying. What do you mean? A pot? Like anybody.
No, I'm saying like what juice do you boil noodles in?
Like,
You don't know.
Butter, water, a little salt.
See, you don't know that.
Yeah, you don't know. That's what I'm
What you do?
saying. It's
Chicken broth. You gotta put your noodles.
you're mediocre. There's levels, and she's the highest. That's why you're boiling.
Bro,
You're on boiling duty. You might have to help me with the garlic bread.
Nah, you getting me tight? You the whack nigga at the park. That's talking about his mans that dunks. Like, nah.
You don't really boil your shit in chicken broth.
And cook off clean, what are we?
What?
I am 1-0. That's all I'm saying. In the streets, I am 1-0.
Well, first of all, I'm gonna still let Patty make the Jamaican salmon. I mean, you can't pass that up. Like, yeah, we could eat the chicken, but I'm just saying.
I would cook offs against you.
When did he beat you in the cookout,
Pancakes.
man?
Pancakes.
No.
Bring it up. Pancakes.
First of all,
Bring it
you
up.
stole her whole flow.
She stole my whole flow.
Bro,
I just add a little something to it.
you made that up, first of all.
Okay, I did. You was there when I made
Alright, wait,
it
this
up.
is a pasta out. So, what kind of noodles we doing? Bertolli, but I add some stuff too.
Yeah, I'd rather just get some Bertolli and season it.
Nah, Bertolli be done
It
good.
cuts the whole process. The heavy cream be too much.
It do. It be a lot.
Oh, they so cute. But you see how Claire going hard face woman. He like, she the best. She the standard. She got the best food. Okay, I see you.
Over here chatting. I'm not gonna lie. They chatting. They talking about a whole bunch of cooking that I don't know what they talking about. You know what I'm saying? I'm honestly about to go next door to Dick's Sporting Goods. Go see if I can find a basketball.
All right, y'all. So I just had a couple more finds at Publix, and they're kind of weird. So they're not really weird. It's just, you know, a little weird to be shopping at Publix for them. But not this one. This right here, I don't know if y'all have kids, but Legend or CJ, if y'all don't want to make breakfast early in the morning for school, these little French already made pancakes, you don't have to warm them up. You don't have to do anything. You just walk out the door. They already have like a syrupy taste. And yeah, you can have these. These are really good. Another thing that I had got that's kind of weird is a trash can, because I don't have one for my bathroom. And I know I can have a cuter one, but I really don't care about a cute trash can, to be honest. I also got a step stool right now because I'm a little constipated, and I need for my legs to go, my knees to be up a little bit so that I could not be constipated no more.
No, this is for a video. This is for a video.
Yo, bro, this kid, This is for a video?
Bro, glizzy trivia. That's
No,
what
I know we're doing a video, so why are you getting the buns though? Just in case what? Just in case what?
Just in case anybody wants the occasional glizz after that.
AKA you.
Oh no.
On the grill.
Bro, don't do that. You be eating glizzies too.
Mod, you initiate glizzy
Bro,
parties at my house.
Bro, I might cook a glizzy, but you're gonna eat.
These is brioche buns, bro.
Bro, first of all, we all
You're
eat
treating your glizzy with care,
They
bro.
look good, don't they? They're like strawberry cheese pastry bites. Them look good to you?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it looks crazy, but we all eat glizzies as a unit.
No, you eat glizzies alone, bro.
No,
bro. Last time you was at my house, you ate 4 glizzies.
Okay, but bro, this is one thing that's true too. When I make a glizzy and the smell is in the air, everybody else eats a glizzy too. Don't maybe go for the glizzy first, but
because of the name, but glizzies are really good. I won't lie.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're supposed to like glizzies.
No, I mean, but we all can.
This man had 4. He be having more glizzies than you.
Hey, no, on some real stuff, have you really doctored up your glizzy?
Yeah.
What'd you put on there?
Yo, you really gained weight.
What you mean?
You like that, don't you?
Yeah.
It's the glizzies.
Unless it look like you got 3 shirts on.
Bro, if I'm looking brolic, just say that. No.
Right? You got more of a stomach.
Yeah.
Looking brolic. Okay.
Okay.
I wouldn't say brolic. Like, I'm not about to gas it.
No, I was about to say, have you ever had a chili glizzy?
No.
Man,
but what I have done
he's
is like
tripping.
doctored my sauce. Like I have like seasoned my peppers, red onions, all of that. Put
You
it in
never
the
had a chili
blender
dog?
with ketchup, and then blended the ketchup,
He's
and then so the
crazy.
ketchup is like seasoned, like with like fruits and like vegetables.
Bro, honestly, there's nothing. Honestly, we should make
You season your ketchup with fruits and vegetables?
Wait, no, I'm not
Well,
gonna
like I've
lie.
done that. I've done that.
No, because that would go into your video.
What?
I'm gonna say, we should just do like chili dogs. No, have you ever had that?
Nah,
I don't
not
want a chili dog.
You mean on a stick? I've never had a glizzy
No,
on
a
a stick.
glizzy with chili on top with the onions and stuff.
See, that's when you go too far with the
No, that's
Like, we
amazing.
No, I wouldn't eat it, but I'm just saying, I see where she's coming from because you gotta at least try it once.
No, chili cheese dogs are good.
Bro,
But,
of course you like those.
bro, yeah, you want plain. You want just plain.
That's crazy.
I'm for the plain too, bruh.
You want just plain, no bun.
You
Just
have bad
glizzy.
chili cheese dogs in your life, right?
Bro, what's in your cart?
How you gonna
Bro,
let me?
You got. Let's look at this nigga's cart.
bro,
He has grapes,
bro, I already
pineapple, palmolive,
and glizzy.
like, yo, bro, let's just put these down here so we get the full.
Bro, because I already went food shopping.
This is.
So I'm just getting a few things. Like, I didn't get fruits from my house, and I'm doing that for
No,
the
no,
video.
but this stuff is for the house. This is for you, right? Personally.
Right now, we about to walk into
Table, and the niggas take a picture.
get a basketball. CJ will be very happy about that.
Says your beef is cold.
Go ahead.
He's an angel. Shut up.
You feel like you can play basketball again?
No, I just wanted to see if I could jump on my
No, but you
leg.
think you can? Yeah, you think you could? Y'all, we came here for a basketball. Just a basketball. James got shorts. Legend and CJ got Crocs. Are we getting this knee brace or what?
I don't need no knee brace.
You sure? So we just got back to the house and the kids got from school. Clarence and Maud is back here playing football with CJ.
That's a nice size yard.
Legend, look at your Crocs. Show the camera your Crocs. I just got them from Dick's today.
Too cute.
Now you got grass all in your hair. Did you have a good day today at school?
Yeah.
What? You sure know how to get dirty. Was that trash? Let me try one more time. All right, ready?
I told you to record it because I knew some.
Yo, Queen just ruined the whole frisbee time.
I'm so sorry.
This shit is on the house, gang.
How did we get that?
She got an arm on her.
How do we get that?
Now we're gonna have to climb up there.
You have to put a ladder up there to get that.
Yeah.
All right, come on, we get the ball from right here. All right, Queen, you on offense now.
Offense?
You gotta catch the ball.
I don't know how to catch no ball.
Get over. Get protected. Okay, go. Get protected. Get protected. Yeah!
I don't know how to catch the ball. Good girl. Look at sis. Go sis.
Yo! Randy Moss.
Yo, CJ just Queen just called a pass for the touchdown. Oh, CJ.
What's your mom, Randy Moss?
Good job, man.
Let's play a word like ABC, man.
Okay.
Yeah. You got it, guys. Yeah. Come on, CJ. Come on, CJ. Come on, CJ. Yeah, you got mom. You got mom. Yo, come back. Come back, C. Come back, C. Come back, C. Yeah. You can still stop him. You got to like this. I'm talking about, baby.
Mine with the dance.
You never gonna hit an end of it if you let mom love you. Go this way. Yo!
That's not a good defense
I'm cheering for both sides, y'all. As always.
player, but I'm a good.
Nah, this is killing me right now. Your mom just gets 2 for 2 on completions for the day. Your mom is 2 for 2 on completions.
Get the ball, Legend. Run. Run with the ball. Run before he gets you. Run. He's like, I don't like this game.
You hurt my chin.
You hurt your chin.
Yeah, the football hit his chin.
You alright?
You'll be good.
You tough?
Get the ball.
And I get you.
You wanna get me?
No!
Get him.
I'm gonna get you.
You can get me. I'm gonna let you get me.
Tackle him. Push it.
Oh. That's it?
He don't got an aggressive ball. He don't got aggressive ball in his body yet.
This kid just gave me a soft push. Okay.
Yeah. There you go. Now he's hugging him. Like, what? What kind of passionate football is
Yeah,
that?
you got it.
Hey, that is a wrestling move. Y'all put that boy in wrestling.
I farted 2 times.
You farted twice?
I farted 2 times.
Oh,
Go ahead, do
excuse you.
Yeah. Go ahead. Grab that second one. No, you're going to have to learn how to fall. He's winded now.
He did the first
Yeah, he did the whole shit by himself.
Legend, look, come get on this thing. Stand.
Anyway. On this run?
I go to the next one. Here. Take this one.
Good.
Oh, help!
Camera, I've already made this. We're waiting for him to make it. But I'll make it for you guys once again.
You're gonna miss.
Yo. Yeah, camera. Yeah, vlog.
Yo, whatever. Hold on.
I'm out here. That's my second time.
I'm about to do it for the gram too.
Let me show you guys how to do it. Because he obviously. Ooh.
Check that up.
Niggas on the camera think you cold.
Yeah, niggas think I'm cold now. I'm not with it. Yeah. Let's see that one more, CJ.
Good pass, CJ.
That's for you, baby.
Oh my God. I'm winded, y'all.
At least you back.
Yeah, I could run. Have you seen?
Yeah, but you still need a knee brace. I don't know why you said no. CJ, how you feeling, honey bun?
Good.
You happy about your new ball?
Yeah, I love sneakers.
Can you make a shot for mommy?
Let's go.
Oh, that was nice.
You got that too?
Yeah.
Oh my God, they're gonna think I'm great.
Oh!
Hey, mother. There's so much.
He said, oh my God, they gonna think I'm great.
You see,
Come on, Ma,
you
you
see
got
that, right?
this. You got this.
Yo, what the hell?
CJ, you see who's better, right?
CJ, don't jack that. Because we can play one-on-one right now.
Again. might need the green ball. I might need the green ball. You see, I made it 3 times. You see who got it, right? Oh my God. If you need any basketball knowledge, who you come to? You. Yeah, my boy. You call. Y'all move.
Show me you can do it, CJ. Good. That was good. Let mommy try to make a shot.
Free throw line?
Oh.
Okay, CJ.
I ain't going to get that. Oh. Bro.
Okay. And I caught that. Yeah. Okay, sis. With the bucket. She made it? Yeah, she made a free throw.
A little something, something.
Oh, catch this. Nah. Well, you recorded too. How disrespectful is that, vlog? Not disrespectful. Now you hold it. This, you might have been what I needed. I might have just needed you to hold it all day. Oh my God. Nah, he don't got it. He don't got it, vlog. Nah, one more. Don't do that. That was the one. That was what I needed. Yeah, count me. Help me! Help me! Help me! Yeah, he finally made it. You don't got it, bro. You getting mad chances. You building a house. Come on, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, bro.
So we thought we were doing chicken Alfredo tonight. I already told y'all that. But we're going to end the night just with some glizzies.
The glizzy way.
You cannot go wrong with glizzies. Never. You can never go wrong with glizzies.
Never go wrong with glizzy.
I done sat up here and got super tired. My stomach hurt. I took a shower. The heat drained me earlier. Whew. And like, I want to finish the night off with a glizzy, but at the same time, like, I've been super duper constipated all day long. And like, I haven't gotten a chance to use any kind of bathroom at all today. And so I feel very stuffed up and just compacted and compartmentalized.
I threw a glizzy on there for you.
You did?
I did.
I do. I think I'm a 1-1. I'm just scared. You think?
You scared? I threw a glizzy on there for you. There's one glizzy on there for you.
Okay, I could take that.
Because I knew your boyfriend won 2. I know he's a 2 glizzy man.
Two glizzy guy.
And I need 2 glizzies.
Right.
And then we're doing the trivia, so we needed an extra glizzy.
Oh. Oh, because you chop it up and just eat a glizzy. What is the trivia questions going to be?
We're doing NBA trivia.
Oh, okay. So Mod and Clarence is going to be doing a video on Mod's page.
Yeah.
Glizzy trivia.
Yeah, glizzy Jeopardy, basically. Lose it. Every question you get wrong,
you got to eat a piece of a glizzy.
You can either be deducted your points or you got to bite a glizzy.
Oh. Oh, no bun, though.
No bun. Raw dog. You
Raw
hand
dog.
and glizz.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait. So, like, even it, so the whole glizzy, like, you gotta hold it like a glizzy.
You gotta hold your glizzy and bite your glizzy.
Y'all don't understand how much I miss mine being around. Like, for real.
I love mine so much. I'm with you, Queen. I mean, seriously, he's the best.
Like, for real.
Bite your glizz. Let's go. Let's get glizzy crazy.
Let's get glizzy crazy. Clarence is in there cleaning up the kitchen. He probably upset with me because I'm tired. I mean, he ain't upset with me. Let me not say that because y'all gonna be like, oh, because you're tired, he's mad.
No. We need a 7.
What'd you say?
Cold word. We need a 7.
Bro, what? Look at the brioche buns though.
I want
like
fancy. That's what I'm saying.
Like, look at that. What glizzy bun? Y'all not look how shiny it is through the plastic. Like what? Glizzy City. Oh, that'll be a good.
Chill out.
No, that'll be a good.
Pause, sis.
No, wait, I'm not gonna lie. That'll be like a good a glizzy restaurant, Glizzy City. And then when you walk in, it's city buildings built out of glizzies.
I'm not gonna lie. Glizzy City sounds like a Paul strip club.
Glizzy City.
It sounds like a Paul strip club. Like
Glizzy City.
It's like
City of the Glizzies.
That don't sound like Magic City. Whatever Magic City is, it sounds like the opposite.
No, but Glizzy City would be fire. All types of glizzies. Cheese wrap glizzies, bacon wrap glizzies, chili glizzies, gun-shaped glizzies.
Chili glizzies? You know you like chili on your glizzies.
That's what I just said. Would you rather say sausage or glizzy?
Neither. That's a setup. I can't really win there.
I mean, you say glizzy anyway, so.
Because I eat glizzies. Pause.
Yeah. But do you eat sausage?
I eat the occasional sausage. Pause.
Occasional. The favorite part, like this, how you know it'd be good when it started bubbling up like that, like it got a blister.
Yeah.
right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's good? It is your boy MOD, and it is a late night.